a sunset view. I'll make it so you're gonna want to. Get your arms involved with me. I'm the rebel when I need one too.
Hi guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm going out tonight for my friend's birthday party, so I wanted to do a little bit more of a glam get ready with me, show you guys some makeup products that I've been loving lately. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this very glowy, bronzy look, then just keep on watching. Hi guys, so I just got out of the shower, and before I get started with any makeup, I'm gonna do some skincare. First, I'm actually gonna use these eye mask things. Their Sephora collection. It's their cucumber eye mask. So I'm just gonna apply these under my eyes and let them sit for like 15 minutes or so. Okay, so while these kind of sink into my skin and do their thing, I wanted to take a second to talk about Hum. I have mentioned Hum Nutrition in past videos because they're my favorite vitamins ever. I truly love them. I take them every morning. Since this is like a get ready with me type of video, I wanted to start with talking about vitamins because that's where getting ready starts. I think the vitamins and everything you put inside your body is really important when it comes to beauty and skin and all of that. So Hum's whole thing is that beauty starts from within, which is so true. I take the daily cleanse one every day. This is a good like daily detoxifying vitamin, and then I kind of like switch up the other ones that I take. So I really also like the Killer Nails one because I'm trying to make my natural nails healthier and stronger. I also love the OMG Omega one. The Flatter Me one is good for like digestion, gut instinct. All of them are so great. They also have gummies. These are for hair and skin. If you're not sure where to start with vitamins, you can go to Hum's website and take their online quiz. It only takes a few minutes to complete, and it'll just ask you questions about your lifestyle and your like health and beauty goals so that it can pick a personalized vitamin routine for you. I never used to be good about taking vitamins, but since these are just like so cute, I keep them on like a little shelf in my kitchen. I just remember to take them every single day and I love them. So if you guys want to check out Hum, I highly recommend it. I will have links to their website where you can take the quiz, and I'll link all of the vitamins that I take down below if you guys are wondering. Yeah, so thank you so much to Hum for sponsoring this video, and let's get on to the rest of the skincare. I can probably take these off now. Now I'm gonna go in with more skincare. I do a lot of skincare steps before I go in with any makeup because I think it makes the biggest difference. So first, I'm using a pump of the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. This is just like a vitamin C serum, but it really makes my skin glow. Oh, I just put tan on. I probably shouldn't touch it, but I think it's fine. Then I'm gonna go in with moisturizer. This is the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. And this is the packaging. You can go like this, and the product comes out, and I love it. This has been my favorite moisturizer lately. I talked about it in a favorites video, and I just love it so much. And next, going in with eye cream. This is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is just a good like hydrating eye cream. How many times can I say eye cream? I feel like concealer and stuff goes on really well on top of this. Okay, I just let all of that sit for a couple minutes, and now I'm going in with some maracuja oil. I know it's like a lot of skincare, but this is kind of like my primer. Sometimes when I put makeup on, my skin just gets really dry and then the makeup looks bad. So this helps keep everything very hydrated and glowing. So I just use like 4 drops of this and kind of put it on everywhere. I'm gonna put on some of the Laneige grapefruit lip balm while I do my makeup. So now we can actually start with makeup. I have no idea what shade of foundation is gonna work today. That looks alright. I am going to be using real foundation today. Shocker, not like a tinted moisturizer. So I'm gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Nude. Since I'm going out tonight, I didn't even say what I was doing, but I'm going out for my friend's birthday. So we'll do foundation, you know, go a little crazy. This used to be my favorite foundation ever, and then I kind of stopped using it for a while because I only really use like tinted moisturizer, like I said. But I still love this foundation so much. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm getting ready for my friend Sylvia's birthday. She's turning 21. So we're going to the city. We're taking a limo to the city and then going to dinner and then going out. So it should be fun. I'm gonna vlog it, so that'll be in a vlog coming soon. I just like adjusted the lighting a little bit, so sorry if it just like changed, but I felt like it was really dark before. Moving on, I'm gonna do a little cream contour. That's how you know I'm feeling crazy, because I never do this. But I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep, and I'm gonna do a little bit of cream contouring just to like warm up my face even more, right on the cheekbones. I'm gonna do it in sections so that it doesn't like dry too quickly. Then going in with the same concealer in a lighter shade. This is light medium honey. I'm just gonna put this under my eyes and wherever else I wanna highlight. Okay, so that's all the concealer blended out. Lately, I've been doing this thing where before I set it with powder, I will spray my concealer and like my whole face with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and it just like refreshes the concealer before I set it so that it doesn't like get really dry, if that makes sense. I just kind of blend out any creases and then I set it with the Mercier translucent powder. I just put some powder under my eyes like I said, and then around like my nose and like smile line area, because I always get really like shiny right there. So I don't really let it like bake very long, just a few seconds, and then I wipe it away. Next, I'm going in with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Dim Light, and just kind of lightly dusting this kind of everywhere. This sort of sets my face, but it's not like a matte powder. It has like a shine to it, so it doesn't make your face matte at all, but it kind of like keeps everything in place. Now we'll go ahead in with bronzer using MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I love this stuff, and just putting it pretty much everywhere. I already put the cream contour, so I'm not putting a lot since I'm already like bronzed basically, but just kind of adding a little more because I like to get carried away. I like to look orange, we know. Kind of bronzing my whole body while we're at it. I'm just going to take Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, which is like a little less warm toned than the MAC one, and just kind of contour my nose a little bit. Drawing like 2 lines down the side. I'm not really an expert at this, but I think it makes a little bit of a difference. Okay, next up I'm going to go in with like my first step of highlighting. It's step 1 out of 3. This is the Patrick Ta We Love Her highlighting major glow spray, whatever. And I'm just gonna spray this on my cheekbones. It's like a really quick little, you'll see. But this is gonna be like the base for my highlight. Then really quickly gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna use this Tarte blush. It's in the shade Party. Okay, now step 2 of highlighting. I'm taking Becca Champagne Pop on a Morphe oh no, the number is rubbed off. I think it's a 510 brush. And just taking this and highlighting all over my cheekbones and above my brow and my nose, and you guys will see I pretty much put this everywhere. Oh my god, do you see that? I could cry. While I'm at it, I'm also gonna put a little bit of this on the inner corner and also on my brow bone. We're glowing, guys, we're glowing. Okay, and then final step in highlighting, I'm gonna set my face with the Morphe setting spray, and then while it's still a little wet, I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever Starlit powder. This is in the shade 13, and just take a little tiny bit of this on the same highlighting brush and just put this like right on the top of my cheekbones where I want like an extra pop. Okay, let's move on to eyebrows. My eyebrow routine will always be the same. Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Soft Brown, and then setting them with the NYX Control Freak Clear Brow Gel. I'm gonna do these very quickly off camera, and then I'll be back with brows. All right, you guys, my eyebrows are on, and I'm not gonna wear any eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna run a little bit of this same Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer underneath my lower lash line, just on this little like defined brush, just because I feel like if I have like a full face on and I don't have anything under my eyes, it looks like a little weird. Also guys, even though I set my under eyes, my concealer always creases, and it doesn't look like that crazy, but it still creases even though I set it with the Laura Mercier powder. So what do I do about that? It's like really annoying because even with like my everyday makeup, I use Tarte Shape Tape, which is supposed to be like one of the best concealers for creasing, and I set it with the Laura Mercier and it still creases, so someone help me. Okay, so that's pretty much everything. I have lash extensions, so just have to brush those out, not putting any mascara on or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and do my hair off camera. I'm just gonna like curl it like I always do. I've literally done it in so many videos, so if you want to see that, go watch like any of my other videos. But I'll be back afterwards. I'll put my lip on and show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, I just changed into this little pink dress from Princess Polly. We have the neon pink, the neon yellow nails. It's kind of like a lot going on. And then I just did some like loose curls in my hair, and I just wanted to top this look off with some lip gloss. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is the Fenty Glow shade or whatever. And then also I just want to spray like my chest area with the Patrick Ta spray, just so that I'm glowing everywhere and not just on my face, because I feel like it looks weird when you have like a really highlighted face and then this area is just like flat. Collarbones, that whole area, shoulders. I'll even do my legs while I'm at it. Alright you guys, so that is everything for this Get Ready With Me. I hope you enjoyed it. I got to kind of catch you guys up with some of the products I've been loving lately, because I have been switching up my makeup routine a little bit, which is a little crazy for me because I'm usually someone who stays using the same products forever. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Hum. I'll have a link to everything down below. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!